Bye, Kate. See you later. Oh. Change of plan. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Love Sundays. So today, I had this big plan of going out exploring, just going somewhere new really, but the weather is absolutely miserable. So I had two choices. It was either stay in on my day off and play PlayStation all day, or get out and still do something. So I've come to the beach. Last week, me and my dad went snorkeling together and we saw this massive jellyfish. I'm talking huge. Chances are that it's still there now, as it's about 5 days later, pretty slim, but we're going to go out. So most of today's footage is going to be in the sea, but before I go in the water, I might get a few scenic shots of the area, just to show you where I am. Hello, Future Sean here. I'm just going to give you a little voiceover because the GoPro wouldn't record any sound when I was out there. Oh, I can't talk with this thing up. Whew. So I stopped in this area to because this is where I saw the massive jellyfish last time, and all of a sudden the seagulls came over, and I think they must think that I'm fishing or something because they seem to be taking a lot of interest in me. Also, I found these two caves, so... But anyway, that's all I was going to say. As Negan would say, back to it.
It's still raining.
So all in all, some things to do in Cornwall when it's raining. One, you can still go to the beach, spend most of your time in the sea. If you're going to get wet, you might as well be in there. Now, I did go out pretty deep, but obviously you don't need to do that. But one thing I would say, if you are heading out there, if you can get your hands on one of these sort of mesh bags, normally when you buy a snorkel mask or anything like that, normally they come in those sorts of bags, but they're ideal for picking up any bits of plastic that you might find in the sea. This looks like it might have been an old plastic bottle. I saw plenty of fish out there, as you just saw in the video. On my way back in as well, I saw what I believe was a weaver fish. I need to look that up actually. So I just looked it up, and I'm not sure if it was a weaver fish or not. It seemed to have the spike on the back of its back, but it was a lot darker, and it had legs as well, sort of running along the seabed. So if you do know what that fish was, leave a comment. I also terrorised the crab on the way back in as well. Not intentional, I just wanted to get quite close to it. So unfortunately I didn't actually get to see the massive jellyfish. No, I'm only kidding, here it is. So that's about it for today. I think I'm going to end the video there. If you are interested in any of the gear that I used to make this video, it's all in the comments below. And I'll also list the snorkel stuff that I used as well. Also, if you want to leave a comment and let me know if you like the new intro, fantastic. Other than that, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you are enjoying the content. Leave a comment, like it, and if I post these videos on social media or anything like that and you want to share it, that's absolutely fantastic. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers. Oh, I've got to get out of this wetsuit now.